Let's create a beautiful The Little Mermaid inspired nail art. We will pick up this beautiful blue and green color for creating a gradient. You can use any color of your choice. I love these color combination, so I'll be using this. Now picking this beautiful chrome powder from Born Pretty. This has mermaid effect and I really love it. So apply it thoroughly over the nail polish. I'm using regular nail polish for this one. So once it has dried up, brush off the excess, pick up a beautiful mermaid pattern from a stamping plate using black stamping polish or white as per your choice, and create this beautiful nail art with a mermaid effect. I also created this Ariel on my thumbnail using freehand, so you can also do it if you love to paint and enjoy this beautiful nail art for summer.